Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get MyPay on Chime. Let's begin. So to set up MyPay with Chime, you need to link your Chime account to the payroll system that processes your direct deposits. So number one, you need to find your Chime account and routing number. Open the Chime app, then go to the Move Money tab. Then under Direct Deposit, you're going to tap View Account Info. And then you should write down your routing number and account number. Second thing to do is to log into your MyPay. You're going to visit your employer's MyPay payroll system, for example, MyPay Defense Finance or any third-party payroll platform they use. Then afterwards, you're going to set up a direct deposit. Locate the direct deposit or banking information section in your MyPay account. Then you're going to enter in your Chime routing number and account number where prompted. Afterwards, select the account type as checking. And then you're going to save the changes. Please note that some employers might send a small test deposit, which is also called a micro deposit, to verify your Chime account. And then once your employer processes the direct deposits, you'll start seeing your funds in your Chime account, typically up to 2 days. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.